BTN customers, this is Kevin from BTN. Today I show you how to install the brake 1, brake sensor 1 and the brake sensor 2 from us. Now let's go. This is a brake sensor 1 from us. It's contain brake sensor and a magnet and zip tires. So, and this side is for the controller. When you use BBS motor from Buffalo, you need a high-go connector. When you use the brake sensor 1 for normal regular controllers, you need to use a regular SM connector or other type of connection. Now I show you how to install the brake sensor 1. The regular bikes, normally there is no electric no brake sensor for the to cut off the controller power, so we need a brake sensor. First we have to take off the sticker. You see? And 这里啊，看到？ And install the magnets here. Now it's okay. When you brake, the sensor gets the signal. So the controller cut off the power. Okay, this is the brake sensor 1. Now I show you how to install the brake sensor 2. Normally the regular bikes with a cable brake for the V brake and disc brake. So to be safe, you need to install a brake sensor to cut off the power also. You have to take out the cables from a regular bike and put in the cable and install the brake sensor here. Today I only show you where is the position of the brake sensor 2. Next day I will show you how to install brake sensor 2. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye bye.